it might seem that the institutions of democracy remain in place and a democratic process prevails. But the real life indicates the opposite. Check and balance mechanisms are virtually dysfunctional. Basic requirements of democracy, such as separation of powers, freedom of the process, and the right of organization, are a thing of the past. The power and authority accumulated in the hands of the political power can increase so much that the very existence of democracy becomes questionable. From the outside, the written and unwritten rules of democracy might seem to be in force. But these rules are now understood and interpreted differently. For example, elections are now seen as a source of legitimacy for the majoritarian, authoritarian, and anti-democratic practices of governments, not as a pluralist practice where the will of citizens from the different backgrounds is reflected on the government. Ultimately, the virus of totalitarianism continues to mutate into a form of authoritarian populism, so to speak, shattering peace, tranquility, and human ideals. Of course, authoritarian populist governments did not emerge in a day. These governments grew and gained strength in a suitable climate shaped by factors such as the changing structure of the world economy, social polarization, increasing digitalization, and the new media order.